Gold is currently trading very close to its all-time high price of $2,070, which it reached in August 2020. However, that's not actually the highest price of gold when we adjust for inflation. Stick around to find out when gold was really at its most expensive. Gold prices fluctuate quite a bit, which understandably worries investors. However, we don't think you should be too worried about the price of gold going down. That's because, unlike crypto, stocks, and bonds, gold should not be considered as in long-term investment. In fact, that's what most people get wrong about gold. Gold is not an investment. What gold is a store of value. Gold has been a scarce and valuable resource for millennia. As one of the least reactive metals in the periodic table, gold does not react with air, water, alkalis, or acids, only dissolving in a mixture of hydrochloric and nitric acid known as aqua regia. This is likely what drew our ancestors to the precious metal. They understood gold to be more than just an investment and saw it for what it truly was, a store of value. But what exactly does a store of value do? Well, it preserves your purchasing power. Gold does this astonishingly well as its price correlates with inflation, political and economic turmoil, and the ever-increasing money supply. Gold prices are also inversely correlated to stock prices and recessions, protecting you against the weakening economy. There are almost 8 billion people in the world today, a number that's growing by around 80 million people every year. Gold is the number one investment in many countries. India recently surpassed China as the world's most populous nation. Gold is the number one investment in India, accounting for 24% of all invested capital in the country. Gold's closest competition was real estate, which came in at 20%. Retail demand for gold in both India and China has returned to its pre-COVID levels, registering its highest levels since 2011. In both countries, retail investors understand the value of gold during times of economic uncertainty. Gold preserves purchasing power. Let us know in the comments why you think gold doesn't have the same popularity here in the United States and in Europe as it does in other markets around the world. And while you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're finding this video informative and would like to learn more about investing. While past performance is never a guarantee of future results, it can help inform and guide our investment decisions. In 2000, the price of an ounce of gold was just under $280. When adjusted for inflation, $280 has the same buying power as $500 today. However, gold has appreciated significantly more over that same time period, proving its unlimited upside price potential. It beat inflation 4 times over and is now valued at around $2,000 per troy ounce. However, this wasn't when gold was at its most expensive, because when we adjust for inflation, we find that gold was at its most expensive in January 1980, when the price of gold reached $800 per troy ounce. That works out to be $3,046 per ounce when adjusted for inflation. And so in summary, you shouldn't worry too much about gold prices going down. There are many factors that affect gold prices, not least the money supply, which we have a video about that you can watch right here. Whether the price of gold goes up or down, gold holds its value against fiat currency, ballooning national debt, and loose monetary policy. That's why gold has always remained valuable and will always remain so. Even more so that there are now multiple ways of investing in gold. In the past, if you wanted to invest in gold, you had to buy and hold physical gold, which involved serious risks and often came with high purchase and storage costs. However, nowadays, investors can choose from a variety of gold investment vehicles like gold mining stocks, gold ETFs, gold mutual funds, and even sovereign gold bonds. If you'd like to learn more about investing in gold, we'd love to have you join our online community. You can do that by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell icon so you're notified when we publish our next video. Remember that the best investments are always the best informed investments. So get informed and buy the gold rush with the gold nugget. See you next week then.